Let's see how to create realistic grass in Blender. Download grass images from Google. Now add your image to Blender. Now set the rotation to 0. Then go to Edit mode. Then subdivide. $100. Now select the size of the area by scrolling with the mouse. Go to Object mode. Then Particles. Then click the plus icon. Now select Hair. And set the number to 10,000. Change hair length. Click Advance. Then go to Physics. Change value.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and fixes.